Welcome back thinkers and dreamers, to the Masked Mind channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating and controversial theories out there, the theory of ancient aliens. Is it possible that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in the distant past, and even influenced human civilization? Let's dive in. The evidence. The theory of ancient aliens has captured the imagination of people all over the world. It suggests that thousands of years ago, extraterrestrial beings visited Earth and had a profound impact on human civilization. The idea may seem far-fetched at first, but the evidence that supports it is both intriguing and mysterious. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the theory of ancient aliens is the existence of ancient structures that seem to defy explanation. Take, for example, the pyramids of Egypt. These massive structures were built over 4,500 years ago, and yet their design and construction still baffle modern engineers. How were the ancient Egyptians able to lift and move 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, to build the Great Pyramid of Giza? Even with modern technology, this feat would be a challenge. Some proponents of the theory of ancient aliens argue that the answer lies in the help of extraterrestrial beings. These stories of ancient aliens are not limited to just a few cultures or time periods. In fact, they can be found in almost every corner of the globe and throughout history. There are ancient stone circles found all over the world, such as Stonehenge in England, that have puzzled scientists for years. These circles are made up of massive stones that weigh up to 50 tons each and were transported over great distances. Theories about how these stones were moved and assembled are still being debated today. Could it be possible that these structures were built with the help of advanced technology that was not available to ancient civilizations on Earth? In addition to these structures, there are ancient texts and stories that describe encounters with otherworldly beings. Some of the most famous stories of ancient aliens come from ancient Indian texts, such as the Vedas and the Mahabharata. These texts describe flying machines called vimanas, which were said to be piloted by gods or other celestial beings. The Nazca lines in Peru are another example of ancient structures that seem to defy explanation. These massive geoglyphs, which are only visible from the air, depict various animals and geometric shapes, and were created thousands of years ago. The Sumerian epic of Gilgamesh tells the story of a journey to the heavens in a chariot of the gods. The ancient Hindu text known as the Mahabharata describes a weapon that was used to destroy an entire city, a weapon that some believe may have been an early form of nuclear technology. And the Hopi Indians of North America tell stories of star beings who came to Earth and shared their knowledge with humanity. These stories suggest that our ancestors may have had contact with beings from other worlds. Finally, there are many ancient artifacts that seem to suggest the possibility of ancient aliens. The Antikythera mechanism is an ancient Greek device that was used for astronomical calculations. But its intricate design and advanced technology have led some to believe that it may have been created with the help of extraterrestrial beings. The Baghdad battery is another artifact that has raised eyebrows. It's a small clay jar that contains a copper cylinder and an iron rod, which when filled with an acidic liquid, can generate an electrical charge. This battery is believed to be over 2,000 years old, and yet the idea of a functioning battery during that time seems impossible. All this evidence suggests that there may be more to our history than we currently know. While skeptics may argue that these stories and artifacts can be explained by natural phenomena or simply the imaginations of ancient people, the sheer volume and consistency of these accounts cannot be ignored. The possibility that we have been visited by extraterrestrial beings in the past is a fascinating idea that continues to capture the attention of people all over the world. The motives. If extraterrestrial beings did visit Earth in ancient times, what could have been their motives? This is a question that has puzzled researchers for decades. Some suggest that the aliens were simply curious explorers, interested in learning about other worlds and civilizations. Others propose that the aliens were searching for resources or were seeking to establish colonies on our planet. But there may be other, more complex, motives behind these visitations. One theory is that the extraterrestrials were interested in our planet's biodiversity. Earth is home to an incredible array of flora and fauna, much of which cannot be found anywhere else in the universe. It's possible that the aliens saw Earth as a unique laboratory and were interested in studying the various forms of life that exist here. In fact, some proponents of this theory suggest that the aliens may have played a role in the evolution of life on our planet, either through genetic manipulation or by introducing new species. Another theory is that the extraterrestrials were interested in our planet's natural resources. Earth has abundant reserves of minerals and metals, as well as a diverse array of plant and animal life that could be valuable for medical or other purposes. It's possible that the aliens saw our planet as a potential source of valuable resources and were interested in exploiting it for their own needs. Yet another theory is that the extraterrestrials were interested in our planet's culture and social structures. Humans have developed complex societies with rich histories and traditions, and it's possible that the aliens were intrigued by these aspects of our civilization. They may have wanted to learn more about our beliefs, customs, and social structures, and could have even played a role in shaping them. Finally, there is the possibility that the extraterrestrials were interested in humanity itself. It's possible that they saw in us the potential for greatness and were interested in helping us achieve our full potential. This could have taken the form of providing us with advanced technology or knowledge, or even guiding our evolution. While we may never know for certain what the motives of the extraterrestrial visitors were, the fact remains that their visitations, if they indeed occurred, would have had a profound impact on our planet and our species. By exploring these possibilities, we open up new avenues for understanding our place in the universe, and for imagining what our future could hold. The cover-up. If extraterrestrial visitations did occur in ancient times, why isn't there more evidence of them? This is a question that has led many to believe that there is a cover-up in place to hide the truth about these visitations. Some suggest that the governments of the world are aware of the evidence but are suppressing it to maintain control over their populations. Others propose that secret societies or religious organizations are responsible for covering up the truth. One theory is that the governments of the world have made contact with extraterrestrial beings and are keeping this knowledge hidden from the public. It's possible that the aliens have shared advanced technology or knowledge with these governments, and that they are working together in secret. This would explain why there is so little evidence of extraterrestrial visitations in the public domain, as any such evidence would threaten to expose the truth. Another theory is that the cover-up is being orchestrated by secret societies or religious organizations. These groups may see the knowledge of extraterrestrial visitations as a threat to their power and control over the population and are therefore working to keep it hidden. They may be using their influence to suppress evidence and discredit those who come forward with claims of extraterrestrial contact. Finally, there is the possibility that the truth is being hidden to protect humanity from the potentially destabilizing effects of such knowledge. If the reality of extraterrestrial visitations were to be revealed, it could cause panic and chaos on a global scale. Governments and other organizations may therefore be keeping this knowledge hidden to prevent widespread fear and unrest. Regardless of the motives behind the cover-up, it's clear that the truth about extraterrestrial visitations remains elusive. By exploring these theories and examining the available evidence, we can begin to piece together a picture of what may have happened in our ancient past, and what may be happening today behind the scenes. It's up to us to stay curious and keep asking questions, in the hopes of one day uncovering the truth. The alien agenda. If extraterrestrial visitations did occur in ancient times and are still happening today, what is the alien agenda? This is a question that has fascinated and terrified people for decades, and one that has inspired countless theories and speculation. Some suggest that the extraterrestrials visiting Earth have peaceful intentions and are interested in making contact with humanity. They may be here to offer us guidance, share their advanced knowledge and technology, or even to help us evolve to a higher level of consciousness. There are even some who believe that the extraterrestrials may be here to offer us a place among a larger intergalactic community. Others, however, are more skeptical of the extraterrestrial agenda. They suggest that the aliens may have a more sinister motive, such as harvesting our planet's resources, experimenting on humans, or even planning an invasion or takeover of our planet. Some have even proposed that the extraterrestrials are involved in a secret pact with the world's governments and are working together to control humanity and bring about a new world order. One particularly intriguing theory suggests that the extraterrestrials are here to help us navigate a global crisis or shift in consciousness. This theory proposes that the Earth is on the brink of a major transformation, and that the extraterrestrials are here to guide us through this process. They may be working behind the scenes to help awaken humanity to the interconnectedness of all things, and to help us shift our consciousness to a higher level of awareness. Regardless of the extraterrestrial agenda, it's clear that the implications of their visitations are profound and far-reaching. By exploring these theories and examining the available evidence, we can begin to unravel the mystery of the extraterrestrial agenda, and perhaps gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. As we continue to explore these fascinating theories and uncover new evidence, it's clear that the truth about extraterrestrial visitations is still elusive. But by staying open-minded, asking questions, and pursuing knowledge and understanding, we may one day unlock the secrets of our ancient past and the mysteries of the universe. In the end, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is what drives us to explore the unknown and seek answers to life's biggest questions. The world of faceless theories is a fascinating and endlessly complex one, full of mysteries, secrets, and hidden truths waiting to be uncovered. Whether it's exploring the possibility of time travel, investigating ancient civilizations, or unraveling the enigma of the extraterrestrial agenda, the world of faceless theories offers a wealth of knowledge and insight for those willing to venture down the rabbit hole. But as we delve deeper into these theories, it's important to remember that the search for truth is not always an easy one. It requires us to be open-minded, to question everything we think we know, and to remain skeptical of even the most compelling evidence. The pursuit of truth is also a collaborative effort, one that requires us to work together, share knowledge and ideas, and build upon each other's research and discoveries. By fostering a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge, we can continue to push the boundaries of what we know and discover new truths about the world around us. In closing, the world of faceless theories is a fascinating and endlessly intriguing one, full of wonder and mystery. By exploring these theories and pursuing knowledge and understanding, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity of the world we live in and the mysteries that remain to be uncovered. So let us continue this journey, with open minds and hearts, and a commitment to uncovering the truth. For in the end, it is our pursuit of knowledge and understanding that brings us closer to our true selves and the mysteries of the universe.